Hi there, it's Sandra. I have a design today for a Christmas decoration, and this is going to be cut in 3 parts. We have 2 rings, which are going to be the framework, and I've actually cut those in a red metallic card, which is quite pretty. We have 2 circles here of acetate to be cut, and then we have the vinyl design, so you can choose whatever vinyl you want to cut that in. But we're going to first of all delete, or at least I'm going to delete these 2 because I've already cut those. Move these down here. You can go to the arrange and then move to cut origin, by the way. And I'm going to cut out my acetate. It's about a pressure of 90 for the type of acetate I'm using because it's quite a thick one. Then I'm going to cut my vinyl. I've got my acetate cut out, so I want to go back to the design. There we go. I can delete my acetate rings just to make sure there's no confusion. And I can bring these 2 down like that. Now I've taken my cut settings right down, and I'm going to do a test cut before I cut this design out. I think I'm going to entitle this video How Not to Make a Christmas Decoration. What I should have done is put the 2 pieces of acetate together if I was going to use the 2 pieces. I'm not even sure why I used 2 pieces. Yes, I know, because I was going to kiss cut it. That was my original design. I was going to kiss cut it, that's it. So I was going to kiss cut my 2 pieces with some foil on. Unfortunately, the foil that I chose left glue remnants everywhere, and therefore kiss cutting was not going to work. So what I should have done was stuck to 1 piece of acetate. Lesson number 1. Put the acetate into the first frame, get it positioned nicely, put the second frame on the opposite side, and then apply the snowflake. The other lesson is, unless you're very sure of the glue that you're using and it's going to go transparent and not be visible at all, use a very fine double-sided tape to put the pieces together, because as you can see here, I've got some glue leakage. Now it probably won't show when it's dry, but at the moment it does, and that would definitely annoy me. The other thing is a tip for applying your vinyl decal. Now you know that you apply it with a piece of transfer paper, piece of tape, whatever, that's fine. When it comes to lining up both of them, you got one on, you turn it over, the back of it is facing you. Before you put the other one down, get a piece of vinyl backing paper and the nice smooth side up. Just hold it over there as you're putting the second one down so that you can match up the top bit of the design to line it up properly. Because if you don't do that and you stick it all down, it's not quite where it should be. It's really not going to be very easy to get it off, and you'll probably end up ruining the decoration. So there we go, that's how not to make a Christmas decoration. Hope you've enjoyed my failure. Take care.